Hey, it's Lady J. I'm back with another video. I got my granddaughter with me today. Her name? Tell them your name.
My name is Jayana.
Jayana what? Your whole name?
Jayana J. Blackney.
We eating McDonald's. We eating McDonald's today, y'all. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, share the video, share. Here, where you going? You asking me for it? Sorry for the interruption. Thank you. Anyway, hit that bell, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. And me and my granddaughter gonna eat McDonald's today. She got
A medium fry.
these my chores right here. I got a quarter pounder. She got a spicy chicken sandwich. I got a quarter pounder. Okay. Bless this food and then eat it. All right, how everybody doing today? Okay? I know y'all doing okay. If y'all watching this video, y'all blessed like me. I know I had a mask on. I did a video early, but I'm finna eat now, so I ain't got my mask on.
They can put the
I gotta
sweet and
wash
sour
my
in
teeth.
there.
My teeth been bothering me. Huh?
They can put the sweet and sour in there.
You know what? No, she sure didn't. She sure didn't. That's why I hate about going to McDonald's. And look at that. Look at the ice. They didn't even put that much ice in there. Look at this.
But put it at the top.
A little bit of ice in here. And do you know McDonald's sodas over there on the other side is way bigger than this? This a medium. This is a damn medium. The one I got the other day was way bigger than that. All McDonald's be different and stuff. I guess all these places be different. But this is a quarter pounder.
This is
I really don't like eating no hamburgers.
a spicy McChicken.
Quarter pounder. It don't even seem like it's. Oh man.
It got heck of lettuce on it.
That's why I don't like going to fast food. Did they put sauce on there?
Mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise.
That's it on both breads, or is that dry?
It just go like this.
On the other side,
No,
you go.
it just.
So you probably need to wipe that on that side and put some of that mayonnaise on your bread on that side, or you just gonna eat it like that.
It's fine. This is how I eat it.
You want to eat that dry?
It already got the bun.
I don't like dry stuff. Look at this shit. Look at this.
It got enough mayonnaise.
Man, this don't got nothing on it. They didn't put nothing on this. I don't like dry stuff. I don't really be eating this.
But
Hamburgers.
enjoy.
Yeah. I don't know about all that. You can't enjoy nothing if they don't do it right.
And then they're gonna get the sweet and sour.
Man, it made me want to go back through that drive-through and snap that through that window. I'm serious. I don't know how y'all like this McDonald's. I better get McDonald's. I only got this because you wanted this today.
Next time I will be craving Taco Bell.
Taco Bell and all that. None of these places ain't all that to me. You gotta make your own food. Then what is that smoothie thing? Is that yoga or what is that?
This is a strawberry banana smoothie. Well, it's really just strawberries, banana, milk, and then the blender, and they blend it up.
So that ain't nothing but some milk, bananas, and strawberries.
I made it before, so
No ice cream.
no. It's kind of like yogurt. It looks like yogurt and it feels like yogurt, so.
Oh no.
Oh, there's too many puppies out there. Hey, this is my mom's YouTube right here. What's up, man? My mom's and Jayana on here eating burgers. What y'all eating?
McDonald's that you bought. Yep.
I ain't buy nothing. My mama them bought this. My niece.
Whatever.
My niece bought this. Okay. I'm her son. Nice to meet y'all. Just my first damn mama YouTube channel. Y'all tune in and subscribe to mama YouTube channel. I gotta go. I gotta use the bathroom.
You don't have to tell everybody what you gotta go do.
This fries is literally just dry. It almost tastes like there's salt on it.
What?
The fries.
And they cold. All this cold. I told them fresh.
Well, they gave us unfresh.
I always give them somebody fresh. I would have waited. I should have just said yeah.
We didn't have time for that.
But when I did it, oh yeah, I got apple pie. When they said the apple pie I had to wait, and then they give me the box, I think they dropped these in the microwave.
Maybe get some of them fries, mom, so I can show YouTube how this really go.
Yeah.
Get some of my mama fries right now.
Them things cold anyway. I don't want it. And it's cold.
They ain't that cold. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. These still warm.
Don't believe him.
No, my mama talking about. I ain't nobody tipsy. Not me. I got mama back her fries though.
Boy, where that come from? You tipsy? Ain't nobody on here said nothing about no tipsy. You must be tipsy.
Don't believe that.
You said it.
Come on.
You can have them. They cold.
Mama gave me her fries.
I'm gonna eat this.
Go subscribe to Mama YouTube channel. Y'all know what this is. Jamila and Jayana. Khalid, her son. Yeah. Go subscribe. Thank you. I didn't hit that TV, Mom.
What?
Huh?
It's the weekend.
I feel like I give the fries like
I give this whole meal a 5.
I give it like a 4 out of 10.
What? For them not being hot or
A 4 out of 10 because they literally
they don't
put too
taste
much
that
lettuce.
good? Oh, that sandwich?
The fries are dry and don't taste good and cold.
You the one wanted to go to McDonald's.
I know, but I don't know if it was gonna mess up like this.
And they always mess up.
But sandwich was still pretty good.
If you get out and go in the inside, we went through the drive-thru.
And the smoothie is good.
That's the only thing probably good.
It's the drink. Sometimes they be giving us watery Sprite.
Well, they didn't put enough ice in here for this to be no water. You see that little ice? I put a lot in there. The pie is warm. It ain't that hot, but it's warm. You sure tore that chicken sandwich up. You must like that chicken sandwich. It's gone. Now they said spicy.
This is spicy.
So that's not too hot for you.
Mm-mm. I always did it when my mom did McDonald's.
Y'all kids can eat all this hot stuff, man. You shouldn't be eating too much hot stuff. They give you
It's your inside.
what is it? Acid reflex in your stomach. Too much hot food.
I'm done with the sandwich. Nothing.
Let me get that up. And we got it already.
Really wasn't.
I got so much onions on this.
Really wasn't craving the fries.
Hmm?
I said really wasn't craving the fries.
I asked you what you wanted. You was talking about you want some fries,
I know I wanted this
spicy chicken sandwich,
to be all fresh, but wasn't
and a
fresh.
smoothie.
It's a smoothie, not a smoothie.
Or whatever the thing is. Smoothie. Yeah, everybody great today? Everybody having a great day? Mine's okay so far.
Not with this McDonald's.
I gotta get my phone back on my ring because it's going in and out with the light.
That phone.
Yeah.
Done with these disgusting fries.
Who?
Me.
Well, why are you eating them? Cause you just like eating them.
Yep. I should got a Sprite like you.
And this person, let me see. This a medium.
What?
This. And
You
look at
asked for
this.
a medium?
This a medium and this is a large. Medium, large. Medium, large. This look like a small.
It really do. Thought you had got me a small.
Oh no. My bad. That is a small problem.
Oh.
But I told him medium. You see how the difference is? My bad. This is.
What is
This
that?
a medium. My bad. This a medium.
And then this is
And
a
this
small.
is a medium. No.
Oh.
This a medium. Look at the difference. For that little drink, look how little they give you a medium for this. And then the medium for this soda is this size. But the other night, I had that big white cup.
Yeah, them cups that be the white cardboard cups.
Yeah.
That'd be a big one.
And it's medium. So that's what I
I
had.
should have got, instead of the spicy chicken, I should have just got some spicy McNuggets with a sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah, they got them back. Them. They said they hadn't had them in a long time. They brought them back what?
We got them at
About
our
a week ago. Spicy nuggets you talking about? Them supposed to be new again too, huh? But they had them before. A limited time. There's always a limited time on something. Well, yeah, y'all, this is my granddaughter. Another granddaughter. My son that got killed. This is his daughter. She looks just like him.
I eat everything.
Yeah, you sure do eat everything.
I'm picky. So I'm done with my meal.
Huh?
I said, so I'm done with my meal. He's still eating this half quarter pounder. Right? It's a quarter pounder.
Mm-hmm. But I eat slow. I can't eat fast like you. If I eat fast, I'll be choking. I'll be up here just choking. So I have to eat slow. It take me a long time to eat. But anyway, y'all, I just want to come on here and do a video with my granddaughter today. So I'm going to get on up off this video. And I will be back tomorrow with another video. Stay safe. Stay blessed.
Enjoy your day.
Be careful out here in these streets, wherever streets you're in. Tell your loved ones that you love them because tomorrow, not promise. See you with another video. Like, subscribe, share, subscribe. Like. Till next time, peace out.